Customize your Family Hub home screen by adding pictures, a video, fun stickers or drawings, and your favorite apps and widgets. To add an item, tap an empty space on the home board where you'd like it to be. Now choose what you'd like to add. Let's add an app. Just tap the app you want to add, and voila! Your app will automatically appear on your home screen. To personalize your home screen a bit more, you can add pics of the fam, fun stickers, or drawings. Ooh, let's add a picture. Select a picture from the list and tap Next. You can even pick a frame for your picture. If you want to move your newly added item, just touch and hold it, then move it to where you want. To delete it, touch and hold the app and then tap Remove from Home. Need more space? Touch and hold on an empty space and swipe left until you see Add New Board. Then select a template or just tap blank. You can rearrange your boards at any time. Just touch and hold on an empty space and swipe to the page you want to move. Then touch and hold the board and move it to where you want. If there's an empty board you're not using, touch and hold on an empty space and tap the trash icon to remove it. There are so many ways you can change up your home boards, so get creative and have fun with it.